So this is a task that I am going to give you. For that thing I am just going to solve using different features that we have discussed. So basically here the main target is cleaning up the different data and to make a proper data table in the Excel. Let us take example. This is the energy database from the BP related with the oil capacity. So this data is not very much useful for filtering, for sorting, for analysis. We have to clean the data in a proper manner so that we can use it for the analysis, for example sorting and cleaning, sorting and filtering. So what we can do, first there is a freeze option, so I have to remove the freeze options, unfreeze all these one. Now it is removed here. Now the first two rows are basically not relevant, so only this share is written here. We can write the share in 2019, so I can delete here growth per annum. So first two table row is basically useless. You can select and delete here. Now this is a heading one, so I can choose this heading one and make heading in a very proper manner. So this is basically the heading one, 1000 barrels daily, and these are the years date, and then these are again there are some blank cells, but before that one I have to go for selecting all these data and up to the last one, then make the all borders so that we can differentiate between the data. Now the next step, I am going to insert one more column here for the serial number. That is very useful for later on cleaning purpose. There should always be a serial number in every database, so that can be used for so many purposes. So this is about the serial number. Put the same thing border here also. Now the next task is basically to arrange all these column B so that all these blank cell will be taken out from here. So we are going to use the data and sorting A to Z, and what happening now, we have all these are the basically blank cell, no data is available, so delete. So in this way we can reduce, and then again come to the column A. If I again use the sorting, filtering, so data is retained again in the original shape except there is no blank cell, so that's why we are using that one. Now the next step, after this row total word, all these data are basically not useful for analysis, so delete it. So now we have total this much of data. Now the next step, if you see, go through the data, total North America, total Asia, and total all these are basically not the country's name, they are basically sum of all the different countries. So I need to remove this total values from here. How we can do it? Using the filter option, filter, then just search out total. So all these total except the total word are showing here. Select all these total and right click and delete all these row, and then again clear filter. So what happened now, total is gone here. We have total word option and then total country's name. Now there is no specific group like total America, so total Europe and all these things. Okay, so after that almost our data is very much clear. You can see that this is all about year wise, and data is available here. So if you want to filter any data, you can filter it very easily. You can search out. For example, I'm going to these two data are not useful, I'm just going to delete here. So this is about the data in 2014 latest data. Let us make it's showing only 2020, so I can move alignment of these text like this one. Now the data is showing here properly. So this is a 2019 data. So what we can do, again there is a problem because see that this column is basically moving here. So we have to freeze up to this column and freeze the first row and column up to the B column. So we can put the active cell here so that column C2, cell number C2. So the row will be freeze and column will be freeze. View option, freeze spans, freeze spans. Now see here, year is now freeze and country is freeze. Okay, come to the sorry in 2019 we can have lot of analysis. For example, See here, we can even sort small to largest or largest to smallest. We can share the largest to smallest. These two data are not available and they are not useful, delete it. So total word, after that the highest value is from the US, the next is China, this is a refinery capacity, then then Russia, then India. Now what we can do or other things, for example top 10, click here, one click you will have top 10 values including word. So all these have basically top 10 values. See here, first clear again, clear again, and then you can do lot of the greater than, less than, between values, below average, custom filter. So many values you can apply here. And not only this one, sorry, you can apply for any year, means for this year, for any other year. So analysis is possible, filter is possible, sorting is possible, coloring, conditional formatting is also possible. In this way you can have all these data, all these analysis, and this is what you need to do in the Excel sheet. That is called the cleaning of the Excel sheet. Thank you.